All right, guys, we're here today at 12337 West Scotts Drive. As you can see, we have the awesome home here right in front of us. And then we can go ahead and take a step on towards the front. And one thing I want to point out about this home is not only are you in a really nice, quiet community, but you're also in a prime location. So you're gonna have tons of access to a lot of food, a lot of shopping places. So you're only a couple minutes away from just about anything that you need to do. And then as you can see, once we step on inside, you have a beautiful interior to this home, including all new baseboards and this awesome flooring and the beautiful paint all throughout. Let me go ahead and close the door here behind us. As you can see, you have a very nice size living or like family front room area. Get an angle from this way. As you can see, some nice windows up there letting in tons of natural light. And then you're also going to have your kitchen, which you can see you get this awesome little archway. Really helps it feel like an open concept floor plan, makes it feel even larger than it already is. And then in here, one thing I want to point out is you have vaulted ceilings. So you're going to have a really large space in here. And then you also have room for your dining table, kitchen table in here. And then of course, you're going to have your kitchen on this side as well, which you can see tons of cabinet space, even a little pantry over there as well for you guys. And then all of these appliances are going to come with the home. So the microwave, the dishwasher, the fridge, these are all going to be provided for you. So it's one less thing that you need to worry about, providing for yourself or taking care of or anything like that. And then we're going to step into the primary, which is actually at the back of the home, directly off of your kitchen area. And you can see all the natural light flooded in through this massive window back here. And then also just a very nice sized room as well. And then you'll have your full walk-in closet. And then of course your primary bathroom, which you can see not only do you get a very large vanity, but you're gonna have room for almost like a makeup setup desk area or just extra storage down there as well. It's completely up to you what you would like to use that space for. And then your shower tub combo over there. So this home has a little bit of a unique floor plan because you're going to have great access off of the main living areas directly to your primary. So you don't have to walk all the way down the hallway or anything like that. And then speaking of down the hallway, you're going to pass up a couple different storage closets. Which you can see in here, some floor to ceiling shelving, just like in this closet here. And then you're actually going to have two guest bedrooms back here. So this is number one, which you can see faces out to the front of the home. Again, another very nice sized room with a full closet as well. And then almost a copy of the first, you're going to have your second guest bedroom over here. Again, nice big window. It's actually messing up the camera here for you guys because of how much natural light's coming in. And then your full closet over there as well. And then you're going to have your guest bathroom, which you can see is huge. Goes all the way down there. The camera doesn't quite do it justice, but you can see there's a ton of space over here, as well as your storage closet. And then you're going to have your actual bathroom all the way over here, which again, a nice large vanity with some storage. And then your shower tub combo over there. And then you also have great access to your garage, which you can see you have the washer and dryer set up right here for you guys. And then a very large 2-car garage. So that's about it for the inside of this home. We will go ahead and take a quick look at the backyard. Just right over here, back through your kitchen. And let's take a quick step out into the back. And then as you can see, it's beautiful back here. You got some nice big shade trees, as well as tons of space and some actual natural grass. Also, especially if you're gonna have any friends, family, some pets, this is a perfect backyard to have. But that's gonna be about it for the tour of this home, guys. I mean, if you have any questions, you wanna come see it for yourself, you can do that all through our website, which is rpmphoenixvalley.com. Thank you guys for touring with me.